My confidence in third space is high anyway. We've had some phenomenal results from using it. I had a girl get a grade 8 this year. She came to every session with third space, so it only enhances their mathematical education.
How many tenths does the number have?
It would be 2. No, 5. No, 5, yeah.
The tenths place is the first digit to the right of the decimal point. Try looking at the number again and see which digit is in that position.
Is it the 9?
You're spot on.
It's allowed us to get more children onto the programme, and it doesn't always come back to cost, but a lot of it does come back to cost in school budgets, and for the cost of the AI programme is so affordable. After the programme can have real impact, I think it can.
We are asked to find the amount of money Haran receives. We can display the ratio 2 to 3 to 5 in this diagram. So Haran has 2 parts, Majid has 3 parts, and Inzi has 5 parts. What is the total number of parts they have altogether? Write the answer in the box.
So do I add how many squares there are?
Yes, you need to add the number of parts together to find the total. Try adding the numbers you see to get the answer.
Okay, so 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 10.
Great job. You've added the numbers correctly to get the total of 10 parts.
In terms of knowledge and understanding, sort of tutoring factor, I think it's very good. I certainly haven't come across Skye teaching English conception, for instance.